Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. This is something I've been doing all my life and I'm not about to stop now. When I go to restaurants, I like to try new dishes, something I never had before, especially when traveling. Each time we go to Mexico, you bet I'll be ordering a new item. And that's how I came across this incredible dish. Here it is. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Chiles Rellenos. These are so tasty. With chorizo, beans, corn, seasonings, cheese, and so on, this is an amazing meal to enjoy this season. Many like to fry them. My version is baked. It's healthier that way and still extremely flavorful. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add canola oil. And when it gets hot, we'll add onions and sprinkle on some ground sea salt. We'll saute them for just 1 minute. To this, we'll add red peppers and saute them for 1 minute as well, before adding finely chopped jalapeno peppers. We'll saute everything for 2 minutes. Next, we'll add the chorizo that we cut into small pieces, but if you find ground, it's even better. I have a tasty homemade chorizo recipe, so to get it, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll cook for 2 minutes, stirring constantly. After a couple minutes, we'll add pressed garlic and saute it for 1 minute. I'm telling you friends, making this filling is super quick. Then we'll add a can of corn kernels, black beans, some hot sauce, I'm using Cholula, ground cumin, I love that spice, half a teaspoon of ground sea salt, and about the same amount of freshly ground black pepper. Of course, we'll stir our ingredients very well until nicely blended. We'll now add 1 cup of cheese. I'm using sharp white cheddar because this is what I had on hand, but you can use cotija or queso fresco cheese, and we'll stir to incorporate into the mixture. Like I always say, we'll taste and adjust if necessary. We might need more salt, black pepper, or even hot sauce. And if it's done, we'll remove from the heat. Here are our poblano peppers sitting on a baking sheet lined with foil. We've cut them in half, removed the ribs as well as the seeds, and left the stems on. It makes a better presentation. So what we'll do is to fill them up with our beautiful chorizo mixture, trying to leave as much liquid as possible behind. Then we'll add some panko breadcrumbs on top, which will give a nice crunch to them. I usually put about 1 teaspoon per pepper. We'll add some cheese, which is roughly a 1/4 cup per pepper, but use as much as you need, as long as it covers the surface of the poblano. Next, we'll transfer them to a 350-degree preheated oven and bake for 40 minutes or until the peppers are tender. We'll remove from the heat and we'll let them cool off for about 5 minutes while we spread some salsa verde on serving plates. Guys, to get this incredible recipe, simply click on the top right corner of your screen and trust me, you won't regret it. We'll place a couple peppers on the sauce, drizzle on some crema, and sprinkle with chopped cilantro. And my friends, these are our Chiles Rellenos. Amazingly flavorful, this Mexican dish is loaded with tasty ingredients. It's baked, not fried, so they're healthier than the regular ones. This recipe isn't overly spicy, and you can always adjust it to your liking. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!